Keeper eliminates the pain of having to remember passwords while protecting your business from password-related data breaches and cyber threats. This video will demonstrate all that Keeper has to offer your small business and provide you with step-by-step instructions to get your team up and running in no time. Keeper is a password management application and digital vault that stores and protects your website passwords, financial information, and other sensitive documents. Keeper can generate unique, secure passwords for you that you can unlock with a single master password. Keeper makes it easy to log into websites without having to remember passwords ever again. Keeper offers best-in-class security and utilizes a zero-trust and zero-knowledge security architecture with full end-to-end encryption. This means that all of your password and private information are encrypted locally on your device and protected by 256-bit AES encryption keys. Each record is encrypted with a key, which is then encrypted by a key derived from your master password. This ensures you're the only one who can access your vault. When you provide Keeper to your employees, they have the choice of using the Keeper Web Vault, browser extension we call KeeperFill, Keeper Desktop app for Windows, Mac, Linux, or our mobile app for iOS and Android. They work together, and they can also work independently. You can log into Keeper using biometrics like Face ID or using a master password. Keeper is built with an advanced device verification system to protect your vault from intruders. Multi-factor authentication using hardware keys like a YubiKey is supported in addition to other methods such as TOTP and SMS.
I'll go ahead and log into an account using Microsoft Azure as my identity provider. You just type in your email from the front door of Keeper and then click Next. After a successful login, the signed SAML assertion is sent back, and we then decrypt the vault locally on the device using the elliptic curve private key. So as you can see, it's super easy for users to log into their vault with any identity provider. Once I'm in the vault, you can see we have the ability to manage data in private folders and shared folders. Private folders are private to me, and shared folders can be shared among a team or other individual users.
Here in the vault, users can store and protect passwords, files, and any type of confidential information. Vault records can be viewed as folders, tiles, or as a list. Records can be organized into subfolders and shared folders using drag and drop. To create a record, click the Create New button. Records can be created with out-of-the-box templates and field types ranging from simple website passwords, payment cards, bank accounts, and file attachments, to more advanced IT record types such as servers, SSH keys, and two-factor codes. Once you enter the record details, our password generator can help you create strong and unique passwords for every site. You can also attach any type of file to Vault records, such as a passport photo, media file, or other document. Click Files and Photos to upload a file, or simply drag and drop the file directly into your vault. Custom fields allow you to store additional data within a record, such as the answer to a site security question or an account number. When you are finished creating your record, click Save. Importing your existing passwords into Keeper is easy. Both Keeper's Web Vault and Desktop app provide an automatic import method, which gathers your logins and passwords across any browser, including iCloud Keychain. We also support an automatic import from many other password managers, such as LastPass and 1Password. Additionally, Keeper has an advanced import capability, which supports Excel and CSV files. Keeper's Autofill feature, called KeeperFill, makes it easy to log in, save passwords, and change your passwords on any website or app. KeeperFill works seamlessly on every browser and operating system. During the onboarding steps, your users will be prompted to install KeeperFill, or you can install it from our website's download page. If you are on a Chrome or Edge browser, like I am here, be sure to pin the extension to ensure it's visible in your browser window at all times. You also may want to disable your browser's built-in password saving feature, usually located in your browser's settings menu. Once installed, the Keeper icon will appear in the upper right corner of your web browser window, with the exception of Safari, where it will appear left of center. Moving forward, when you log in or out of your web vault, you will be automatically logged in or out of KeeperFill and vice versa. As you can see here, I am already logged into KeeperFill since I've logged into my vault. To stay logged in between browser and computer restarts, navigate to your KeeperFill security settings and enable Stay Logged In. Upon logging in, you will notice various tools can be accessed from the KeeperFill toolbar. The search bar is where you can search for a website login or anything else stored in your vault. The Generate Password button will generate a secure password for you that you can either copy or use to create a new record. The Create New Record button will automatically direct you to the record creation function in your vault. You will also notice the Vault button, which will launch your Keeper Web Vault with one click. And finally, it is here where you can access all of the various KeeperFill settings, such as Prompt to Fill, Auto Submit, and your security settings. Now I will demonstrate how KeeperFill automatically fills your logins and passwords when visiting a website. For example, here at this login page, since it's the first time I'm logging into the site with KeeperFill, I am asked if I would like Keeper to autofill my login. When I click Yes, watch as my credentials are autofilled into the login form and I am logged in. With Keeper, you can share folders with other users and teams from vault to vault using strong encryption. Shared folders provide great flexibility with record and user permissions. You can set edit and resharing permissions for each record in the folder, and you can also decide who can add and remove users. The Settings tab is where you can manage the folder's default user and record permissions over the folder, meaning any new user or record you add to the folder will inherit the permissions you set. Important passwords such as Wi-Fi passwords, IT accounts, and social media logins can be securely shared among individual users or a team. To create a new shared folder, click on Create New and Shared Folder. Enter the folder name and set the user and record permissions. You can add records to the folder by simple drag and drop or click Edit and add records using the record search bar. From the Users tab, you can search for the user or team you would like to share the folder with. To share just a single record with another user, click Options and Sharing, then enter the email of the Keeper user and choose their permission level. If the user is outside of your Keeper business account or doesn't have a Keeper account yet, you'll be asked to send an invite to the recipient. Once they accept the invite to share, you'll be able to share records with the user. Keeper One-Time Share provides time-limited, secure sharing of a record to anyone without them having to create a Keeper account. One-time share is the most secure way to send confidential information to your vendors, business partners, freelancers, and any others outside of your organization without exposing information over email or text messages. A one-time share can be created by clicking Options and One-Time Share. You can then specify how long the share will be available for. A share link can then be provided to the recipient through a hyperlink that you can copy into a message, or you can provide them with a QR code. When the recipient of the share link opens the record, it will open in their web browser and will be bound to their device. The record access will automatically expire after the set amount of time. Version history is maintained for every change to every record. To view a record's history, click Options, then Record History. At any time, you can revert a password or even view deleted passwords. Keeper also allows you to restore previous versions of a record by clicking Restore.